Hello again, Enable here. Just bringing another little video, catching up on a couple of things I've bought over the last few months, especially seeing it's raining again today. That's okay. So this one here is the GoPack Survival Kit by BCB. It's just a pouch that unfolds with like a belt loop on the back. I've opened it up, so it makes it a bit easier to look at in a moment. But the whole idea of these survival pouches, survival tins, was mostly popularised by Lofty Wiseman in his book some years ago. Very popular, but actually everybody into bushwalking or going out should carry some sort of basic things like this, because you just never know what might happen. And Lofty recommends a small tin. This is the SE one. I got it. Then I got a couple of things. There should be a few more things in here really, but I got a mini lighter, fire starter, whistle, and just a little basic knife. But a little bit of cordage, a couple of band-aids, something like that to fit in. And then you have to back up this, you have a larger tin that's probably about this size with a lot more things in it. And the tin you can use to boil water or cook food and have a lot more things in it. I've got a couple of tins, I just didn't pull them out of the backpack for this video. But I also use this little pouch, just happens to be a snake pack pouch. And I keep things in here, put in my pack. I've got a DC3 Falcon Newman sharpener, paste beads, magnesium bar, lighter, yeah, various things in here, some fire starters. So just put whatever you think you need in there, so you can have some water bag or something as well. But I got this one. I was buying a couple of things online, saw it there, was reasonably priced I thought, and just part of curiosity, just wanted to have a look what it is. So GoPack, it just comes wrapped in like this, so you wear it like this. It is a NATO approved thing, so from Europe. It's got its own NSN number, which is interesting, and a list of the items in there, so pretty standard, a lot of these kits, and sort of what you'd sort of need. A button compass, blade, matches, pencil, flint, candle, whistle, sewing kit, survival instructions, accident report. So very emergency sleeping bag, water bag, and that's how it's sort of laid out in the pouch. So I'll just open it up, even though I pulled it all out to have a look. On this side here, this would be the emergency sleeping bag, plastic, and all this was in this side here and the other side there. So we got very basic sort of fishing kit, a little bit of cordage, a couple of one-sided razor blades, a light. It's got a little bit of plastic in there so you can't trigger the light off. A couple of little mini zip ties, a couple of pins, basic sewing kit, bit of tube. If you're trying to drink water, I think you'd use the tube. And other things in the bag here. So scalpel blade. Here's the aqua tabs for your water. Expiry date 2025, so that's good. Survival saw, pencil, striker. Haven't tried to use it. Compass. It seems to work. Yeah, east-west is more or less that way at my place. Yep. This is the foil tray. You see the tray there. So you try and boil water or something like that. This would be the signal mirror. Bit of cardboard, pretty basic, but I suppose better than nothing. Some of the survival instructions and injury type thing. Some other matches, a candle, and a whistle. This is the water bag. Carry some water in the bag. So overall, I think it's not too bad. For the price and for interest, I think I'll just continue to use it in the pouch. I'll put it back in there and just go into one of my backpacks. I got, I know if you follow, I got a few backpacks, but I got basically three, smaller one, medium and large sort of thing, half packed with a sleeping bag and a few other bits and pieces already. So just include this in the pack, ready to go. So pretty good. So GoPack Survival Kit by BCB. BCB's from in England. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Enable. Remember, yeah, please subscribe and like. Stay alert, stay prepared, stay ready. Particularly in these absolute crazy times we're living now. Endure to the end. Don't give up. Stay positive. Bye-bye.